FlowWright 9.8 introduces a new feature called test mode. And what that does is you can route tasks to different people, just like when you design a workflow. But in test mode, when you run, the task will come to you, so you can test the workflow, including emails will come to you as the test user. So let's go look at an example of that. I'm just going to go open my workflow here. And if you look at task 1, in this case, the task 1 is routed to Mark Thompson. And I'm logged in as the admin user currently. So I'm going to go ahead and say create an instance. And I'm going to give a name for it, generate a name. And I'm going to run it in test mode. In this case, in test mode, I can also select what user I want the workflow to run as. And I'm going to go ahead and say create and execute. And if I go look at my workflow instances, I have a new workflow instance that is running. And if I look at the tasks, you can see that even though the first task was assigned or routed to Mark Thompson, it is actually routed to me or assigned to me as the test user. So with this feature, you can build your workflow as you would build where you might route to different people within your organization. And the workflow is, all the task steps are set to route to those different people. But when you run in test mode, all the tasks will be assigned to you and they will show up on your task list so you can easily test the workflow.